For any small business, it is important to have an effective way to store data and share it among employees. Thus, any network with more than 2 or 3 users who need to access the same data should be implementing some sort of client-server relationship. When it comes to choosing between NAS or server, the choice depends on several factors. However, first you must understand the differences between a server and NAS. The main role of a server is to manage resources on the network. The server will be using a server operating system such as Windows Server, Linux, or Mac OS X Server. A server can fill a number of roles, all of which manage resources and clients on your local network. NAS stands for Network Attached Storage. As you can derive from the name, a NAS is attached to a network and stores and serves data. In addition to file storage and sharing, NAS devices offer many of the same services that a standard Windows server can, but with more basic settings and less customization. NAS devices also require you to use its own platform-specific applications, rather than choosing from just any third-party software. So, which device suits your small business? To decide whether a NAS or server will best suit your small business, it's helpful to break down the benefits of each in the following categories. Functionality and ease of use. Application servers are more powerful than NAS as they offer more functionality. Application servers allow you to install third-party software. With a NAS, you're limited to applications you can download on the NAS operating system. Servers are more capable and offer more advanced controls over your network services and applications, but also require far more management. The NAS offers less advanced functionality, but will not require as much maintenance or configuration. Sharing capabilities. Both options provide a great way to share files and allow for control over user permissions. If you are frequently collaborating with clients, you should consider a NAS for its ability to allow outside access to shared folders via the internet. If you only need to collaborate among colleagues, the server will meet all of your needs. Cost. While a server contains more powerful hardware and offers more functionality, an application server will almost always cost more than a NAS overall. Server operating systems often require purchasing licenses. On the other hand, most NAS software comes with the NAS device and does not require per-user licensing. Should you buy a NAS or a server for your small business? For companies seeking higher functionality and can handle the more complicated configuration, maintenance, and higher costs, an application server is the best choice. For those who are looking for a good file storage and sharing solution, with other basic applications, a NAS is typically a far more affordable option.